What gonna get me opinionated peeps? So people una gonna like that one here. Una gonna get a laugh, una gonna get a little chuckle, and somehow una gonna say boy unstoppable. Sure, I want to you man. But anyways, as you can see from the other day, DJ Mona Lisa, aka Amari, is the one that has been breaking the internet with her big bad song. You mash up my life. Nico. Yes, Nico, I mash up the whole internet and Amari is taking it right now. But people, the drama increases as Amari says she is coming for Spicy's position. She said basically, not in these exact words, but basically Amari I say, yo, Spice was just there holding the seat one fear. A fear time now for come take her crown. You understand? Yes, so people, me go make una listen what Amari say. Me not even gonna talk no more. Jano
is destined to be. Who is Spice? Spice, she's John the Baptist, and I am Jesus Christ. It's as simple as that. John the Baptist knew that he had to go in order for Christ to emerge because two cannot sit on the throne. So pack your bags, darling, pat them, yeah, and say bye. Because your career is over. You're cancelled, Spice. Obia man? No. We are Jersey. In our spiritual work for him. No. Because before God set me free, all of them have to surrender them weapon. They don't love Obia too much. God me said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just passing through to let you know that great things are about to happen. So you think that I already got the bus? No, I did not. That, my dear, is just the buzz. But I shall bust within a matter of 6 weeks. It's not going to happen like fast. No, it's not going to go like that. I will be tested and tried. DJs are going to hear about me. They're not going to just start playing my music. They're going to sit and listen to it and try to figure out why is it a hit. Some are going to wonder, why Amari? Why couldn't it be somebody else? Like dirty, bad-minded gal, Chelsea. Why couldn't it be her? Oh my gosh, she go to her bed crying at night and asking God, why did you give Amari that hit? You motherfucker be singing my song, Neko. You mash up my life. Move your bumper claw tour. Use up your pussy, use up your mouth, use up everything. You understand? But nobody can sing that song like Amari, you dog shit. I can see straight through you. Richard Feelings is right when he say you just looking at hype. Cause bitch, you sure ain't gonna get a bite. Some bitches don't look good unless they put on makeup. But catch them without makeup. They look like shit. Look at Amari. No makeup. Look at me. Sweet. And natural. But motherfuckers, you are line up motherfuckers. Line up in a line. And let me see all of you natural beauty. Let me see if it even exists. Because you're all fake motherfuckers. And some of you, you have the beauty. But oh my gosh, you don't know how to take care of the pum-pum. You don't steam it. You don't teach other girls to take care of it. You're too busy flaunting yourself and singing songs that men write. Do you know how many of the songs that you sing that men actually write who know nothing about love? You understand? Because these girls have no talent whatsoever. The only talented bitches in the industry, and I'm going to tell you straight up, they don't exist. It's a long time coming. Amari's finally here. I will entertain the people in COVID-19. I will take them throughout COVID-19. And at the end of COVID-19, I will perform for them. And I am and will be and will become the biggest artist there is in a very long time. Now you notice most of these artists, they don't talk to people. They don't deal with people. I have a problem. I just don't deal with calling bitches. But I have no problem dealing with people. I actually love people. Anyway, darling, I'm just feeling good about myself. And I'm loving me, and I just stopped by to tell you all good night. Watch out for my song. I'm here editing it in response to Neko, who say that my hussy is big. I'll be responding to him tomorrow. And I guess after this, he should just hide himself, because he too don't exist. Boy trying to get an eye off me. Honestly, I don't even need a bite from him. No. He has left from being one of the biggest artists that there was to becoming a fragment on the face of the earth. Yes. Neko had it all, but Neko wasted it all. I guess that calls for the song. Was just yesterday on stage. Ninja Man, Gully Bob, create, eat, waves on. Boy, the clash. Boy, the clash. Tell the dirty gal them me done left bop. Certain gal want to walk off for me. I pump 'em, you a run down, run, come catch me. Full of glue, enough glammy tea. Lyrics galore. So motherfuckers you talking about are mad? You're gonna wish y'all were mad like me in a couple months. So I sat down and I did the arithmetic for 10 fucking straight years. And here I am. Are you there, Amari? God, am I there? Am I where you want me to be? He said no. So I don't know why y'all have it over the whole galaxy that Amari have bust. You think Amari have bust? No. You know why, you stupido? Because you expect Amari to bust in Jamaica and don't realize that I'm going to bust worldwide. Comprende? It's not Jamaica. No, Jamaica will be the least of them all. I'm gonna bust in continents. Jamaica will ask me to come here to pick up a trophy, and I'm gonna tell the delegates, kiss my black ass. Remember I told you that, 'cause they treated me like shit. And because of that, my big break is not gonna happen in Jamaica. It's going to take place after I leave Jamaica. I just have some tidying up to do. When I leave Jamaica, the whole entire Jamaica will speak of me, but I shall be international. There will be no artist that will be able to walk in my shoe. Buju Banton, he made his impact on the world since he came out of jail. Buju Banton, your time is up. Bow, it's now my time. Ninja Man, he gave his all to society. What I'm trying to tell you, there's a time when the Spirit of God worked through mankind, and then the Spirit of God decided that it wants a new face. It wants to shed a new light. It is my time. I shall be masculine and feminine all in one. There will be no one that will be able to be mad. Call it an illusion, motherfucker. I really don't care. God have chosen to use this vessel, this body with 13 children who understand life. And you know why some of the male DJs have fallen? God gave them this gift to entertain women. And you know what they did? They went around and got like 30, 40, 50 children with so many women, and they did not look back and take care of the kids. So God said, move over, move over. And now it's time for me. Dirty motherfuckers. The Nekos that mash up people's life. Some of the motherfuckers in Jamaica wanted to charge me for a play. They wanted to charge me 1,000. Now they got to bow. Because if those motherfuckers don't play Neko, ain't nobody gonna listen to them. So Neko is being played left, right, and center. And I don't have to beg none of y'all to play Neko. Because if you don't play Neko, ain't nothing going on for you straight up. Do I need your interviews? No, I don't. I sure don't. I pick, choose, and refuse who I want to do interviews with, because I don't need to do interviews, because I have my own fucking reality show that's called House Play that tells all about my life. Not to mention my other reality show that is called Leap of Faith. You understand? An Amari reality show, so I don't need you. Just a couple of weeks ago, they needed pussy, power, money, mention. They wanted it all. But God is God. Now you all get nothing. And you still got to feature my song, whether you like it or not. So you want to talk shit about me? Do I look like I fucking care? Radio ain't hit us before. No, it's all about the internet. Big up to the internet and to my lovely audience, my goodies, my shubbies, my hoodies, my goodies, and my hoodies. Big up to you all. We have shown the entire world that we rule the universe. Yes, we don't need them. It is not the internet that is duplicating or following radio. It is radio that is following what's going on in the internet. And you know, goodies, hoodies, shubbies, goodies, hoodies, little goodies, and little shubbies. You know that we run this motherfucking town. We own the internet. 14 pages on Facebook owned by Amari. Yes. And Instagram.com/Amari_DJ Mona Lisa _official. Phantom Fireworks record label, also owned by Amari DJ Mona Lisa. Go tell it on the mountains, over the hills, and everywhere that the water is trouble, my friend. So step right in. God's mighty power is moving this hour. Amari power is moving this hour. No longer will I stand on dry land with those dirty, careless disc jockeys and all those. I mean, some of them mouths stink no motherfucker because they suck pussy so much. No longer do I stand on dry land because the water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. How? Call me a witch. Call me anything you want to call me. But the fact remains that I run, not Jamaica. I actually run the galaxy. One thing I must admit, though, wherever I go and make the dough, I will be coming back to Jamaica to land it. To drop it off. And I'm sure Angel Onis is not going to leave me out at sea. No. I want to make a prophecy, but I'm just going to leave it right there. But I see a woman emerge from nowhere, and she became a powerful force, and she became the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And I was like, who is this woman? She was mixed with Indian, and she was so beautiful, and she loved Amari. I honestly don't know this woman, but a woman shall rule the country of Jamaica. She shall be beautiful. She shall be stern. She shall be loved. She knows me. She watches me. I don't know you. I don't care to know you. But I send my blessing forth to you right now. The children of Jamaica, they need help. Single mothers need help. Masanga balingrio ko balingrio sonomale. We welcome you. I thought it was a closer time, but it seems to be in 6 years. But she will come. By then, I'll be a millionaire living in the hills of California. But she's preparing herself. I think that right now she's an MP or something. But she's going to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica eventually. Masaka balingrio ko balingri senemele. No, I'm not hypnotizing you, my love. I'm telling you that may the grace of God be with you tonight. I open up the eyes of the blind. May you see and behold and see my glory, see my fame. May you see my dynasty, because I'm heir to reign for 6 years straight. I will be coveted. There will be so many jealousy. And there will be anger, and the anger will die down because prosperity will rule the town. Many of those who are angry and upset about God opening the door for Amari will turn around and beg for help. Balakabalingri okobale. We've come a long way. From disc jockey, Amari on WNWK, WAXY, WNJR, to becoming from a singer to a radio broadcaster to a producer to a record company owner. Been there, done that. But I'm back where I belong. The hottest artist, hotter than Rihanna. There will be my makeup line. There will be so many things. But you have yet to see my church. That's what I'm really here about. Music is just the way in. And you have yet to read my books. I will be the great author that writes from my soul. Anyway, darling, I gotta go. Bye.
Whoa, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.